When we speak of a skills gap, we're talking about the lack of skilled tradesmen and women who are willing and able to fill the job openings that exist in many fields today.
And as we push people to go to college, we sometimes have, I think, pushed down the value of the skilled trades, doing things with your hands.
You're training workforce in growing industries that are in demand that pay higher wages than the national average. So I want to thank you for that.
It's about the trades, and we have to change that image. I've had multiple conversations with people over the years and talked about the trade is not a measure of intelligence, it's purely a career choice.
Conservatively, there are about 1,000 immediate job openings for automotive technicians.
Our industry is in trouble and needs help. We have a major shortage of skilled technicians, and the decline is alarming. The Bureau estimates that the industry will need 46,000 to 50,000 more technicians by the year 2026.
Let's get innovative. Let's think out of the box. Let's work smarter and seek input from all the shareholders. Thank you for coming.